Hello everybody. It's Stephanie with Coco and Allie Boutique Crafting Page. So we're doing a really cute craft using Dollar Tree supplies. I love Dollar Tree crafts. I've got this, I don't know what they called it. Oh, they called it a vase. That's the sticker on the bottom of it. I'm using one of these from Dollar Tree. They usually have them during the springtime, like in their, floral spring section. And then I've got a Dollar Tree candlestick. I've got just a doily that I had. And then I've got just a piece of lace that came from an old lace curtain. And I picked those up at like Goodwill, Salvation Army, places like that. The first thing we're going to do, so we're just going to start by pulling off all this twine that's wrapped around the top of it. If you just find the beginning of it and pull, it comes right off. Just about done with that. So just pull all the twine off. Save your twine because you never know what you might need it for. So once you get all that twine off the top of it, then you're going to take it and you see there's a seam right there. There's only one seam in this. So of course you don't want to do it on that seam, what I'm about to show you. I just put that seam to the back, and then I took some little wire cutters. So I just took some wire cutters to get me started because the top of it's kind of got that lip and it's thick. And then take some scissors right where you did your little cut. I don't know if you can see that with your wire cutters. And this stuff is really thin. It'll just cut. And then just cut down about 1/2 inch or so. You'll see, like I've got it there. And then maybe a little longer, maybe a little more than that, maybe 3/4 of an inch. Okay, so I've got it cut there, if you can see that. I'm trying to, yeah, there you go, you can see that. And then you're just going to take it and fold it in on both sides. We're trying to make this look like a bust. But just fold it in. Okay. So there you have it. You see how I've got it folded in on both sides, and it kind of looks like, like the V, like a woman's bust. And then, so that's the hardest part of this, y'all, is doing that. The next thing I'm going to do is take our doily and I'm going to start gluing it on here. But I want it to cover up where I folded those in because those edges are a little sharp. So I'm just going to stick it on here and kind of overlap it and take just some hot glue. And glue it on to the inside there. All right, so then just, glue. You see how this has points? That's where I'm going to glue mine. If yours is different, then you'll figure it out. But just glue it down on your little bucket. So see, that's supposed to look kind of like a dress or something on the front of her. Just to cover her top. Are y'all following me? I hope you are. And then this piece of lace that I cut, and y'all, I can't tell you how long to cut it because it just depends on what size candlestick you use, how tall it is. But I wanted mine to be to where it would go, almost to the floor. Or not to the floor, but you know what I mean, all the way down. So then you're just going to take your lace and glue it around. I'm going to start in the back because I want my seam to be in the back. So I'm going to start right there where the seam is on this. And I'm just going to start gluing. Just a little dot of glue, and then, you know, ever so often put you another little dot. You don't have to glue like completely around. All right, y'all. So I'm just going to pleat this a little bit, probably mainly in the front. So y'all, I'm just pleating this real quick because I just didn't like it. It was too straight. Oh, that looks much better. Y'all see that? With the little pleats. Okay, so once you get that on there, it's up to you what you do. But I'm going to take some, I think I'm going to do the ribbon. Some ribbon. And do it around the waist. And then I'm just going to glue this down on the back. All right, y'all, so that's it so far. But y'all know I can't leave it like that. I'm going to take one of these. I get this at Hobby Lobby, and it's just like little rosettes. I'm going to take one of these and put it on there. And then put a few little streamers. So I'm just using, you know, like tans and off-whites for this. And I'm just going to cut just a few little streamers. This is how it looks so far, y'all. And then you're just going to take your little streamers and glue them. Decide where you want. I'm going to put my rosette on the side. So I'm going to glue these on here underneath where I'm going to put my little rosette. Just take you a little glue and glue them all on there. And then one more. Okay. And then let me trim this up. Like a little pearl in the center of it. Y'all, I just keep going until it speaks to me and tells me I've put enough. And I get these pearls like this at Dollar Tree. They come in a big package for $1. Well, I need another glue stick. Okay, y'all. So this is her. Isn't that cute? And then I'm just going to take, I've got some E6000 glue here. But I'm just taking some E6000 and I'm going to put a bead of it on top of this candlestick. And then I'm going to also put some hot glue. The hot glue will hold it for now, the E6000. Once it sets, it takes it about 24 hours to set, will hold it permanently. Try not to get your lace and all in the glue. And you're probably wondering, well, what would you use that for? I was thinking, you know, I always have like little dishes sitting on my dresser that I put like jewelry in, you know, when I take it off instead of putting it back where it's supposed to go. And then once I get a bunch that needs to be put away, then I put it away. So something like that would be cute, you know, to use it for something like that. Or you could, you know, use it as its intended use and put flowers in it, or, you know, a plant or something. But I just thought this was really cute and would make a really cute gift for like Mother's Day. And then I was thinking, let me show y'all how I would probably use it. Okay. So I've got a silver tray here that I got at Goodwill for $2.99. That's got a string hanging on it. I've got an old doily. So I would drape that over the tray. I would stick this on it on one side. Whoops. You don't have to put a doily on it if you don't want to. And then probably that little milk glass dish, because I love milk glass. And then I would have, you know, bracelets or whatever in the dish, and then whatever. You could even put like a candle in here if you wanted to. I've got, you know, a candle would be cute in there. But anyway, isn't that cute, y'all? Yeah, I mean, there's just a million things you could do with this. But anyway, I think it would make a really cute Mother's Day gift. So, that's what I have for y'all today. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And y'all have a great, great rest of your Sunday. And I will talk to all y'all later. Love you. Bye-bye.